Today we got a video from behind the badge, and the title of the video is Florida Man Rams Patrol Car. What deputies find inside will shock you.
On June 27, 2025 in Marion County, Florida, a reckless driver refused to stop for deputies, setting off a dangerous high-speed chase through neighborhoods and rural roads. Mailboxes were smashed, fences destroyed, and speeds climbed to reckless levels. But when the pursuit finally came to a crashing end, deputies made a discovery inside the vehicle that no one expected. Viewer discretion is advised.
They're ramming my patrol car. Start me a car.
Very well, man. They're ramming my patrol car.
Oh man, the cops over there messing with the homeless people? What they got going on?
Get out the car! Give me your, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get out the car, show me your hands!
It's good that he blocked them though. Look, the cops like, damn, we almost had the homeless people.
Right now! Sheriff's office! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Stop or I will shoot you! Get out the car! Get out the car! .6403, man, they just tried to ram me. He just went through a fence. He's headed out the Silver Road. Silver Road made a left on Silver Road.
Your ass is grass, boy.
Left on Silver Road. You're up. 754 being able to fly to 13.
Down on Silver Road, Charlie.
Eastbound on Silver Road.
I do believe he was trying to run me over at one point, Marion.
I think that's a stretch.
On Emerald Road,
but
going northbound towards Maricamp.
Right on Emerald Road, northbound towards Maricamp.
I don't understand why people run from the cops.
70 miles an hour, about to come out of Maricamp.
Like, what's the percentage of people that actually get away? Can't be that high. Oh, damn, he about to wreck himself. Uh-oh, backup is here.
88, we got a left on Southeast 88th Street. Left on Southeast 88th Street.
26, I do believe he's trying to run me over. We just made a left on 79th Avenue Road.
Left on 79th Avenue Road.
Is he gonna smack him into a house or something? Now that would be crazy. This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
We got a left on South 88th Street. Pit. Vehicle pit.
Oh, damn. Oh, man. They gonna run into somebody's house?
beanie hat, gray shorts, black shirt, camo pants. Get on the ground! There's a canine over there waiting on you! Taser! Get on your face! Get down!
Nah, it ain't no alright now.
On your back.
Get him some act right.
No.
Oh nah, ain't no act.
Run me.
Oh nah. It ain't no nah, it ain't none of that, boy. Get him together. Get him together. He ain't acting right. Got us running around town, crashing in the mailboxes, try to run me over, smacking up the car and everything, the patrol car. Oh nah, it ain't no Yo, I used to hate that, man. Yo, you know what used to happen? I'm gonna tell you right now, right? And this is where it can relate to corrections a little bit. Literally, I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Let me get on the big screen, man. Literally, inmate to do something, right? Like let's say for example, you in maybe solitary confinement or something like that. There's cameras and stuff like that or whatever, right? Let's say you taking an inmate out for maybe programs or something like that, whatever, boom, 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 whatever. Or maybe you walking them back from maybe sick call or something like that. And an inmate don't like you or something and he just pop it off on you. Boom, cold cock you, boy. You be like, oh, what? And now y'all try to get it. But what the inmate will do, right? He'll hit you or spit at you or do whatever. And then they turn and put the hand on the wall. And when they turn and put the hand on the wall, that's when it's you can't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? So when that, like, imagine somebody now, of course things happen or whatever, but technically, no, it's not supposed to happen. So this is like one of those scenarios where it's like, he done did all of this, got everybody adrenaline, blood rushing, this and that, and now you on your knees, hands up. No. You can't do nothing. Like, you feel me? Especially if this officer feel like the guy was trying to run him over. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can sit here and be like, well, I don't think he tried to run him over, but I'm not that officer. That officer may have felt in that moment that the guy, that when he backed up, he was probably trying to run him over. He could have felt like that, but it's like, oh no, I did what I did and now my hands is up. You can't touch me. And that used to irk. Oh man, that used to irk people nerves, boy. Yeah. It ain't no no, stop. No, man, what? Man, we gonna get you together. You had us do all this? Oh yeah. Look at this. Taser, yeah, get him right.
Get on your face! Get down! Put your fucking hands on your back.
Come on, man. Hit his ass with that taser, boy. Got him together.
Run me over again. We don't do that in Marion County. We got one thing. I never seen someone act like you.
That's real emotions, boy. Cops is human, man. Gonna lose their shit. People human.
Run me over.
Acting like straight animal. Did all that and you can't even give him a factory reset, man. Crazy. He need an alignment. He out of tune.
Get in that car.
Nah, you can't get shit.
No, I was asking. You ain't getting nothing. Get in the car. I didn't double lock those. I need to catch my breath.
Then he got the nerve to ask for a favor. You crazy? I thought he was gonna run into somebody's house. Now that would have been. Whew. Mailbox fence damage. Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, there's gonna be 20 Spring Lane away.
20 Spring Lane.
60-32. I got a signal 44 in the car.
Was that a gun?
Hey, baby, are you okay? Oh. Come here, sweetheart. You're okay.
No.
You're okay, baby. You're okay.
He took off running and left his baby in the car. What?
Start him this way. It's about a 4-month-old.
He tried to run from the cops with the baby in the car.
Yeah. You okay, baby?
Golly. These parents are nuts, man.
Jeez. Gotta be kidding me.
Unbelievable.
You okay?
Unfreaking believable.
Yeah.
Was that in the car?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my God.
6002, 6403, how do you need the station?
Okay, sweetheart?
On channel 2.
Are you okay?
Cops could be real heroes, man. 'Cause that father is a piece of shit.
You okay?
Back where I initially did the 1050, he rammed another car as well, so we're having vehicle damage over there.
I don't want to set her down. I guess it's a little baby. It's okay. You're all right. It's okay.
And look at that, got the whole neighborhood out. Look at them to the left.
Yeah. It's okay. You all right? You okay?
I went through a fence. Over a street sign.
Yeah, there's this. Is this old?
Back where I initially did the 1050.
What's that look like? Oh yeah, there's a magazine sticking out. No, I'm pretty so it's connected to a gun, it looks like. Don't touch it. I'm not going to.
Yeah,
Yeah, oh, it's definitely connected to a gun.
Yeah.
So, gun under seat. I smell weed. Unless it's coming from the outside.
It might be coming from you. Who knows? Mom at? All right.
Can I get my niece, please?
Yeah, we're gonna have medics check her out.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Can I hold her, please? Please, please.
After the chase ended and the suspect was apprehended, deputies confirmed the 1-year-old child was safe and reunited with her mother. The driver, 24-year-old Jordan Skeen, was taken into custody and now faces multiple serious charges. These include fleeing and eluding law enforcement, violation of probation, child neglect, and possession of a firearm and marijuana. The case remains under investigation, but one thing is clear. The risk taken during that pursuit put an innocent life in grave danger. If you found this video...
You can't make this stuff up, man. Real scumbag. With a baby in the car? Like, listen, this one thing to put your life at risk, but that officer in the very beginning, he was like, yo, don't move or I'm gonna blow your head off. That's what he said. And he probably didn't see what was in the back seat or anything like that. Adrenaline is going. And imagine if that cop made that decision to blow his head off, man. That is crazy. Golly, these people, man, straight scumbags. Scumbags, man. Oh my God, scum of the earth. Cops did a great job, man. 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.